So here we're going to do some tube deburring, and we have some large diameters and some small diameters, which gets adjusted here. What we we ran the large tubes a little bit up front and tried a few things. For this tube, what we put on is our most aggressive brush, which has a 0.38 millimeter wire and has kind of this kinked, wrinkled brush system, which is our most aggressive brush, which is what we will need for this tube. And also, at least the large tubes, we're gonna grind on speed number 2. All we do is we turn this on. And we tried your tube before. When you have a cut that didn't go completely through, like here, you will have this sticking out. We ran this a little bit before. I'm going to rerun that and see if it will take that off. But other than that, you may have to grind that off. See, now the more aggressive brushes reduces that, but it doesn't take it completely off. And that still has a little bit of sharpness to it. But the rest of the edges are wonderful. So let me do the same. Probably what you want to do is start around one diameter. And you see how far we go into the tube with the brush. Right? You have a little bit of temperature in the edge, and a slight serration from the brush, but a very smooth. Things in here. You see, this is not run at all. For the tube size, lock this again, and then it's back on. The tube, because very often you don't get the tube perfectly perpendicular into the machine, and that way, at least if you hold it at the same angle most times, you get more or less all sides. And here again you see you have one of those remainders, which will probably come off. That was actually hot because I pushed a little bit hard. So. Then we go on to the next one. but I don't think this will disappear because that's on there pretty solid. Then we have the sharp edges. Actually, it did take it. So, if you have an angle like this, which is a 45, which is a lot, we need the different inlet piece that allows us to hold the tube in at an angle. We'll do that later. We'll put the different inlet piece in there. I hope I have it actually. So now we're getting really small, and I don't know if this isn't too small. Or really to do something with that brush in here. Whoa, that was very hot. That gets hot very quickly because it is very small. We need to do that. Oh, I think I ruined that because this was at an angle. I didn't see that. Yeah, that was an angle. Yeah, I apologize. That was a little hasty here. I didn't see that this was at an angle. You see, we removed the tip of that one somewhat. So for that, we also need to find the angle. Will not go any further. We have the limit here. Very small. And that brush may be a little bit too aggressive for the small tool. So. Go and see if we have those angle pieces, and then we'll do the two remaining surfaces.